60 of lead code, get the intersection of two linked lists. So you get given two linked lists, A and B. You're supposed to find the first intersection. So the way to deal with this problem, this is an easy problem actually. So you just get the head of the two heads basically. The way to think about that, the idea behind solving this problem is that if you loop through A first, go through the whole linked list of A, and when you come to the end, you go back to the start of B, and then go through the whole the list again. And also you do the same thing for B, for linked list B. You start from the beginning and keep going and until the end, then you go back to A again. And after you loop through these two lists connected to each other, they, one step at a time, they will meet at the first intersection of these two lists. And that will give you actually the answer, which is the first section of this first intersection of these two lists. So this is essentially adding A to B, and then adding B to A, and then generating two combined lists, and then loops through them, scans through them once at the same time and compare each element. And that will, when they are equal, that will give you the answer of what you're looking for. So basically, this is the idea behind solving this problem. So we do auto A equal head A. We don't need to do a dummy head here for the list, since we're not concerned with returning the whole list, but we are only concerned with returning the intersection. Only the intersection node is needed for example 41845 and 561845. So intersect value is 8. So you are just reference of the node with value 8. That's all you need to return. So you don't need to do any dummy head kind of technique. So this is 2, or example 2 has 19224 and 324. You are supposed to just return 2. And then 264, example 3, and then 15. They don't have any intersection, so you just return now. And if the two lists have no intersection, return now. The linked list must retain their original structure after the function returns. You may assume that there are no cycles anywhere in the entire linked structure. Each value on each linked list is in the range between 1 and 10 to the 9th. The code should preferably run in ON time and use only O1 memory. So you're not supposed to use any additional memory. However, you can only scan the two lists linearly. So it's linear time requirement. The way to do that is just to set, using the idea we talked about earlier, just scan A plus B and then B plus A and compare each node. As soon as you get the node that equals that, that's your first intersection node, and just return that. So A equal head A, B equal head B. And while we loop through the node, the list, okay, while A not equal to B, we do if there are A still have no valid nodes in it, we just move on. Okay, A equal A dash next. Else we start, which means the end, when we are at the end of A, we need to start from B to connect. Okay, A plus B. This is A plus B part. Same for B. Okay, if B, we do same thing. B equal B dash next. and else B equal head A. So this is B plus A. So after we're done with this whole loop, A and B will be equal to each other. And that reference is just the result we're looking for. So result is just A or B when they are equals. So all we need to do is just return A or B at the same time. Okay, so let's run this. So intersection at 8. So we got that. So I just submit it. Okay, so we got the right result. This same, of course, can be return B, will be the same result. And we submit it. So B, either A or B here will give us the same result.